So today I got from, you guys already know, Adam's Park. I got a bunch of stuff. I was like, I need to get some new stuff because I ran out. So I went big or go home. So as you guys can see, got one bucket there. Luckily they had like a big sale going on. Got another bucket. Boom, bucket number 2. So, and I got some microfiber wash sponge. They got me some, looks like American flag candies, which is dope. So they got these lids where you can basically take one of these buckets anywhere you're going, traveling, take a bucket with you. And look what I got. I got some goodies in here. Let's take off the other side. Boom, another lid. And got some microfiber towels. So, and I got some stuff that I took out already as well. I got some more stuff over here. So this is all the stuff that I got for the car. One thing I like about Adam Polish's bucket is it comes with a grit guard at the bottom of the bucket. They gave me an extra hose for these tubes, which is dope. But I got me an ultra drying towel and a car wash pad, and then I got my favorite car shampoo. I try not to use this as much compared to the other car shampoos you buy at your local store, because this thing is amazing. Definitely gives you an incredible shine every time you wash a car without even waxing the car. So highly recommend you guys got some car shampoo. So I bought this big tube right here. Got this other size that came with like a kit they had on sale. So it came with that, some detail spray, and now guys, I already used some of it. You guys already know it's good. Got the foam canning. So guys, the car is right here. The car has been under a cover since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it's been raining every single day. Luckily I was able to put on a car cover because it was mad rain. What the foam canning comes with is this hose, the red hose. It has like an attachment here for the foam cannon. Foam cannon looks like that. Used it already, looks freaking amazing. I'm so excited. I'm already using this stuff before I even show you guys. That's how excited I am about this stuff. So as I told you guys, got the car shampoo, got the detail spray, which I already still have another one in the car. I think I just filled up, put more water in it because it's that good. So I did that, and I'm gonna try out these new products. So in here, as you guys can see, I got the car shampoo, detail spray. I want to try some of their butter wax. With their butter wax, they give you this pad to try it out on. So I'm gonna try out their butter wax with this pad, and then after with the butter wax, I'm gonna hit them with this ceramic boost, their new ceramic boost. And the ceramic boost is basically, it's like another coat to help beat off the water and everything. So it makes your job a lot easier when it comes to wash the car again. So definitely want to try out the ceramic boost after I wax it. So that's all the stuff that I got for this car. Woo, a lot of stuff, but this car definitely needed it. Definitely really needed this stuff for sure. But car is looking good. I had the car cover on it. It ain't that bad. I'm gonna still have to wash it again, but it is what it is. I'm gonna also give you guys my opinion and review on these products. I already told you guys about the car shampoo and the detail spray. Highly recommend the car shampoo and detail spray. It's amazing. So I'm gonna give you guys my review in their butter wax. I know the butter wax are pretty new and the ceramic boost is pretty new. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on that and what I think about it. So right now I'm gonna fill up the buckets with water. Guys, look at this. Look at the suds. The suds are ridiculous. Wait till I bring out the foam cannon. It's ridiculous, guys. Time to fill this one up. Wash and rinse bucket, pretty dope. Grit guard stays at the bottom. Highly recommend it. Damn, look at those demon eyes. Carbon fiber hood. Now we're gonna fill up the foam cannon. And I'm gonna show you guys how to fill this up as well. So pretty simple with the foam cannon as well. So you Put soap in here, enough soap that you need, and then you don't spray too hard, you just spray lightly. Yeah, I spray too hard right there. And just leave it fill up. So pretty simple and easy. Put the top back on just like that. I might overdid it just a little bit. And then there's actually something to line it up right here, so pretty dope. And then you just line it up. From Adam's Polish. I had this for a while now, so gonna test it out today on the car as well. So also guys, another reason why I'm detailing the car is because May 27 on a Sunday, I'm going to be going down to New Jersey for Honda Super Meet. So if you're in the New Jersey area and you want to come out to the Honda Super Meet, I'll put everything in the description so you guys can check it out. Come see me, come check out the car. And I got approved for the event, which is pretty dope. Last year, I didn't get approved for none of the events, but it is what it is. Look at these sides. Look at these sides. Bunch of studs all over the car. Jeez. Highly recommend the foam cannon. So basically the foam cannon gives you lubrication on the car to help with any dirt just sitting on the car for a while. And it helps basically makes your job easier with washing the car and having less scratches on the car when you wash the car. So that's the main reason for the foam cannon. But look at all the suds. Ridiculous. Look at that up there. Roof, everything. Roof spoiler. Dang, look at that. Woo! Now let's start washing the car. So I got a dilemma, guys. I'm not gonna lie, that's probably like the fastest I ever dry this car up. I still got to do the visors, so I got to roll down the windows, but overall this is probably like the quickest I've ever washed the car. Some water seeping through the third brake light, but this is probably like the fastest I've ever dried this car. So okay, I'm gonna definitely give it to Adam's Polish. I'm gonna give it to them. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm gonna give it to them with their drying towel. That is the quickest I've ever dried this car, so I'm gonna give it up to them. Everything that we need is right here. Ceramic Boost detail spray for the clay bar as well, and we're gonna use the butter wax. We got a clay bar, and I'm gonna use this box and keep my polishing towel and my drying towel right there. So time to attack the front door. So as you guys can see, we got the clay bar right here. Inside the clay bar we get this little rubber piece, and we also get the clay bar. The clay bar looks like, dang, it's stuck in there. So they got this little plastic over it. Just take off. You can use gloves as well. One side out, another side off. And what you basically do is stick it just like this and form it around and over the clay bar. So something just like this. And what you're gonna do is use a detail spray, spray on the car and clay bar at the same time. So all right guys, I just did my whole freaking car, slaving away out here. So this whole car on the side has been clear, bro. The roof, side doors, back door, all around the whole car, the roof, front window, whole thing has been clear, bro. Now we're about to add the wax and everything else. So we're gonna add the ceramic boost and the wax. So we're gonna do a couple dabs like this, and then we're gonna start. I'm gonna go down and then side to side. So since they got this little thing by the side mirror, you can go down and then side by side. So the front fender of my car is fully clear, broad, so it's all right if I get some on that side, but that's how we're gonna do it for now. So I'm only gonna go up and down, side to side with the wax. Up and down, side to side. So I'm getting this part, and then we're gonna hit side to side. Alright guys, this is the first step of the wax, man. Look at that reflection. It's like a painting, guys. We're making art. So right now I'm on the back bumper. As you guys can see, still have some wax right there. Got wax all on this side. We're waxing the whole car. Got the window. About to make it happen now. So, ooh, look at that bag set up in the trunk, guys. Ooh, car is looking nice. Now we're gonna hit it with the ceramic boost right here, and it smells like apples, guys. It literally smells like apples. So, about to do that now. Why you got the shades on? Look at you trying to act like you too cool. But go ahead, turn it on. The spray bottle. All right, so spray. All you gotta do is spray on there. Spray, go ahead, dog. It ain't gonna hurt the paint. Go ahead, man. You see it sprays out all over the place. Now, what you're gonna do is start wiping. Spray it one way. As you guys can see, as it gets dark now, because I've been out here waxing the car and using the ceramic boost, it looks like a picture. You can see me perfect with the camera. It's ridiculous. I just want to see how it looks in the rain. How much it holds up in the rain and beads up. I'll leave you guys with my opinion. But definitely the car. Overall, the car looks really good and brings out the shine of the color. Really nice overall. But dang, I can't wait. Let's see how good it lasts, but it definitely looks freaking amazing. Definitely looks super good. Looks really nice. Look at that reflection. Amazing. Looks really good. So I just finished editing this video, and I gotta say, I gotta give it to Adam's Polish. Adam Polish, if you guys need someone to test out more of your products, hit me up, because highly recommend this Buttery wax and this ceramic boost. The car looks freaking amazing and shines like no other. Highly recommend you guys. If you guys need some detail products, highly recommend Adam's Polish Buttery wax and detail spray and the ceramic boost. It looks freaking amazing. So also, Adam's Polish has a sale going on this weekend. For Memorial Weekend, they have a 20% off sale, and they just brought out some new products too. I believe they just brought out their first ceramic coating. So go ahead, check out the website. Highly recommend check out their stuff. Don't stay on the website too long because you're gonna buy some stuff. But I highly recommend you guys go on the website, check out what they have. Definitely have some amazing quality products. Highly recommend it. But the Buttery wax, I used that. It came off really easy with the polishing towel. As soon as I started going side to side and taking the wax off, it came off super easy, and everything stayed on the detailing towel. Usually some waxes, you'll rub the wax out and then it will just start turning into crumbs and start falling all over into the cracks of your moldings and stuff. But this was really easy, and everything stayed on a detailing towel, and it made my job so much easier going over one time onto the next panel, making my job easy. So highly recommend the Buttery wax. Highly recommend it. And the ceramic boost, I just got a microfiber towel, wiped it down. It kind of looks like you're putting like another coating on there. So you just I just left it on there. I put the coating on there, and then I let it sit for a little bit. Then I got a new dry microfiber towel, and I started wiping away the little wet residue that was on there. And then after that, it definitely gave it a more good shine on there, and it looks freaking amazing. So highly recommend, if you guys are looking for a wax and that's a little ceramic booze, highly recommend get this by Adams Polish. It looks freaking amazing. And also, for since I've noticed, like, there hasn't been a lot of pollen on the car too. They kind of like these little like dots of pollen, but it wasn't like as before where it was like a crazy amount of pollen. So maybe the ceramic boost is also helping with the pollen. So highly recommend you guys try out the ceramic boost as well. So highly recommend that. But that's it for the video, guys. I cannot wait. I got more stuff that I got to get. I'm going to be coating my new Mugen G piece that I got restored. So videos coming for that. But I cannot wait to hit these car shows, car meets. More mods for my car. More mods for the GT350. Let me know in the comments below. How do you guys feel about the GT350? I know a lot of people have not been commenting on the Shelby GT350 video. So let me know if you guys like the Shelby GT350 videos. We were eventually going to plan to mod the Mustang, the 5.0 we had, and now we have the Shelby GT350. We're going to mod it regardless, but how do you guys feel about it? Let me know in the comment box below. But that's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step towards your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.